It all began in 1975 with this old machine on my right here, which is still in regular use 50 years later. Now let's go back to the beginning.
1975, Andy Smith introduced the very first Hydralada machine, creating a safer and faster way to harvest fruit. It was a practical solution to a real challenge, and it marked the start of Hydralada. Just a few years later, Hydralada exported its first machines to Australia. It was an early step beyond New Zealand and the beginning of long-term growth. Innovation continued with the development of the Hydraloppa, a hydraulic single-hosed hand pruner. Released in 1980, it helped growers work more efficiently while reducing physical strain. As the avocado industry expanded, Hydralada introduced the high-reach Maxi 540. Built for productivity and reliability, the first machine was sold to Arthur Honeyfield in Katikati, starting a legacy that continues today. 1988, supporting modern orchard systems. With trellis growing becoming more common, Hydralada developed a multi-person 3-leveled platform, helping teams work safely and effectively at height. 1989, the Hydrafork. The Hydrafork bin lifter was introduced to the compact range, improving handling and keeping harvest operations moving smoothly. 1996, Hydralada introduced its first tandem drive 4-wheel drive machine, designed to provide better traction, safety and performance across uneven terrain. 1999, moving into viticulture, Hydralada became New Zealand's distributor for the Palank grape harvesters, expanding into the vineyard sector and introducing advanced harvesting technology to local growers. 2000, room to grow. As the business expanded, Hydralada moved into its purpose-built Omahu Road facility, bringing manufacturing and operations together and setting the company up for the future. 2009, the Mango model. Designed with an onboard washing tank, the Mango model showed Hydralada's focus on building equipment tailored to specific crop needs. 2010, expanding capability. Hydralada partnered with Bandit Industries, opened a new branch in Blenheim, strengthening support for customers and expanding its equipment range. 2017, enter TBX. With the acquisition of Tow and Blow, now known as TBX, Hydralada expanded into frost protection, helping growers safeguard their crops when conditions matter most. 2022, Venture 600H Slough Boom. The release of the Venture 600 introduced slough boom technology, delivering greater precision for tall tree crops and industrial applications. Transition to today, 50 years of Hydralada. For 50 years, Hydralada has been designing and building equipment to support growers, contractors and industries across New Zealand and beyond. Some machines are even still running decades later, a reflection of the quality they were built with.
My experience with the Hydralada was brilliant. It's on the original motor and it's done just on 27,000 hours. I've worked this machine now for, I was going to say close to 50 years.
Looking forward. Today, Hydralada continues to evolve, combining proven engineering with new ideas to meet the changing needs of the industries we serve. And while we're proud of where we've come from, we're just as focused on where we're going. New technology, smarter solutions, built for the future. 50 years of innovation, 50 years supporting hardworking industries. And we're only getting started. Hydralada, built to last, ready for what's next.